everybody, it's Ramona. I am here to share with you a project that I put together for Alinacutle store on Aliexpress. This is a project that was made with these dies right here. And I did do something else a little bit differently that I'll share with you in just a minute. So this is a Dollar Tree pen that I purchased, and I went ahead and put the Let's Be Mermaids with bubbles on it sign, and on the back of it, these are going to be place setters or markers that go on a table for a birthday party that some of my friends are throwing for another girlfriend at the end of the month. So anyway, I thought these would be really, really cute to put together. Again, the pen comes from Dollar Tree, so that is super, super cheap. And then, yeah, I got the stickers from Michael's. The little mermaid here comes from the cover. I can't get enough of this paper stack, you guys. This Mermaid Lagoon paper, that's her right there. I cut her, fussy cut her out and put her on the front. So that's her right there. Okay, so yeah, let me go ahead and flip the phone and I'll be right back. Okay, guys, let's get started. So let me explain something to you. The die was actually designed to have this cut out twice and this cut out once. Okay, now to get the larger diamond shape that I have here, I cut it out 4 times. And I'm going to go ahead and put the two together like they are on Alina's website. Okay, so I cut out 2 of these and then 1 of these. So we'll take these 2. I've already put tape on it. Sure. And press it in really well. And then we'll close this portion up. It's always the last one's always the hardest. You'd think the first one would be, but and you can push it down this way. Okay. So you have your cone shape here. And then what I did was I just snipped off a little bit. If you want to do like a little pin like I did, you can just snip it off like that. Okay, you'll need a bigger hole to put the pin in, but and then we take this piece right here, which is the top, and we're going to attach it to the inside here. Okay, push this in, fold this, and then if I can get it closed. It's not cooperating. Nothing's cooperating for me today, guys. It's been a rough day. There we go. And so there you go. You have your little designer box that you can put goodies in for a birthday or whatever you want to do. It's as easy as that, guys. Yeah. So let me know what you think, and hope you guys have a great weekend. Bye-bye.